Okay guys, Operation Building the Vanity starting today. I'm just, just laying out everything. I think today I'll be done doing maybe like the vanity and everything. But for the dividers, that's what we're really gonna focus on, and I'll probably do that tomorrow morning. So yeah guys, every time I like reach an important step, I'll just pop in, just say like, hi guys, how y'all doing? Okay guys, sorry if the lighting is a little bit off, but as you see, like I already did this. Like this was super easy. I'm not even like being, I don't know, like being like funny or being like, oh my god, I'm so talented, it was so easy. It literally was the easiest thing ever, and I'm already there, and it's been like what, like maybe like 20 minutes. So this is going really well. I'm excited. Yeah, I'm currently putting the drawers in, and we had a little bit of an injury that I had to run and just rinse and make sure it was like sanitized, because I don't know like what cut me, because I didn't feel it, so I don't know what cut me, but I was bleeding profusely and I'm not even like being dramatic or anything. So yeah, we're really close to the end. I'm excited. And I built it myself too, She's the Bob the Builder type of girl. Oh, anyways guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so again with my rocky lighting, I've assembled the thing. Like that's what it looks like. By the way, when I'm done with my makeup room, I will do like a full makeup room tour, but for now, like I'm just gonna start filling these up. I'm just gonna fill these up so I can like just move my makeup here. But you shall know that it's not gonna be like the way I'm gonna put them today. It's gonna be like the way I'm gonna DIY them tomorrow when I film the DIY part. So yeah, just hang tight girl, it's coming, your part is coming. Oh, so we are the next morning. Sorry if I sound a little bit sleepy, I literally woke up like 20 minutes ago. And so right here I decided I would put my brushes, because what I've noticed is that when things stay up in the air, like in this type of setup, they just catch dust more, and I feel like when I have them in a drawer like this, they're just really like spread out. Oh my god, that's dirty, ew. Anyways, I'll play that. But they just really like, they're like set out for you to like pick from. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll come back to you. Also, I still need to run to the store and grab like really thick cardboard so I can get started onto the drawers right here. But don't worry, we will get to that part. This is fun, and the lighting, ooh, I love. Anyways guys, I'll be back with my brushes placed, and I'm gonna show you how I place them basically. What's happening right now is that I've got these three, this is a Muji drawer, 3-unit drawer, I don't know, it's like those little acrylic drawers. So right here I have most of my face brushes. By most I mean all. I'm not someone that hoards a lot on face brushes, because I feel as though face brushes, oh my god, no, mosquito, you ain't playing with me today, sis. Because I feel as though face brushes is often like you find what works for you and then you keep using it, because your face is only gonna change so much, you know what I mean? And so like once you discover a brush you love, just pick one, throw it. Some brushes in here I don't even think I need, I'm just keeping them like in case. So I have my powder, bronzer, blush brushes, my highlight brushes right here, foundation buffers, fan brushes, just like foundation brushes that are like these, and just like a little bit of everything, like a dual fiber brush. And I'm just gonna like keep it that way for now. Here what I have, here I have every single type of like detail eye brush. So whether it's like a packing brush like this one from Elf, or it's a liner brush, like liner brushes like these two right here, or like just like a really like little, like precision brush type of thing. Like even if it's a little precision brush like this, it all goes here. And then like most of my old brushes just go here. Those are a little harder to store. I don't even know if I'm gonna keep them here. This is all like until I actually figure out what I want to do. But yeah, so this is that drawer, and the drawer up top is like blending, like it's everything like fluffy, like crease brush, blending brush. I also have like eyebrow brushes. So I have this one, this little spoolie. This is what I use to clean up my eyebrows. Like eyebrow brushes. I have double-ended here. What I love about this system so much is that you can put double-ended brushes in here and they're not gonna get destroyed, if you like were to put them up in like something like this, which is what I kept my brushes in before. And so you know you find storage for those brushes, which is actually pretty cool, so you can use them and not just like not use some brushes from your kit. And so these don't fit like upright, which is the most annoying thing ever. But hopefully I maybe figure another type of like acrylic. Do you see the mosquito? Girl, you ain't playing with me today. I think I might have to figure out another system for these brushes. I don't even know if like this would fit like the brushes like vertically. Like it wouldn't even fit the brushes vertically. So I'll probably figure out another like acrylic drawer system for this. I've heard a lot of YouTubers use the acrylic store shoe containers where it's like really big, like deep acrylic bins. And so maybe I'll get like 2 of those for like my brushes and everything. But meanwhile, we're just gonna keep them right here because I already own this. In this little drawer here, I don't quite know what I'm gonna put in there yet. Like it's, I guess I'm gonna have to figure it out. Maybe I'm just gonna put some knickknacks, you know, like lash glue, eyelash curlers, like scissors, like I don't know. I guess we'll see. Here it's for like it's, oh my god, the sun, I'm sorry. Here this is like a lipstick slot. It's like a 9 lipsticks. I don't even own 9 tube lipsticks. So the goal by the end of this summer is to be able to fill this one out with some lipsticks I really like. So yeah, I'm actually gonna go to the store like really quickly right now so we can get like started on like finding ways of organization, because this is what the collection's looking like. You see how I own like 1 bronzer? That's tragic. But I'm just gonna give you a little bit of a view. Oh, this foundation is not supposed to be there. But you know, here I got foundation, primers, powders, concealers in the back. I'm actually missing my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I can't find it, so you know. Then here it's gonna be lip products. It looks like I have a lot, but I really don't, especially considering that where's my MAC? This MAC and this Maybelline are actually gonna go right up here because they're some of my favorite, most worn. And so I'm just gonna put them here, you know, like presentation and everything. So these are the lipsticks that are gonna stay in the drawers. It's not only lipsticks, it's really like every single lip product. These 2 I think are done. Like I ran out of these, so I don't even know why they're still in there. I guess like whatever, we'll still declutter a little bit. I don't even have a lot of makeup, and look at me being like, oh, let me just declutter. But yeah. And in the last drawer I have palettes. These are not all my palettes. I have 3 more upstairs, actually 4 more upstairs that I'm gonna come and bring right here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have 5 of these like boards. Let me try to show you the thickness. Oh my god, girl, disconnect. Like I have like 5 little white boards like these. I have an X-Acto knife that is like literally 5 years old. I don't know if it's still gonna work. I have some scissors, a huge ruler, a little bit of pencil, and I have hot glue sticks and hot glue gun. I don't know if I'm gonna use these yet. We'll see. I also have this big measuring thing. Yeah, this is what we're gonna mainly use for the project. I'm gonna try to film this. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to film it quite exactly, but we'll see. So first drawer I'm gonna make over is this one right here, the one with the glitters, like the glitter glue, the brow products, liners, mascaras, this random like Urban Decay eyeshadow primer sample. We're gonna do with that, and that one we're gonna do differently than the others because we're simply gonna do like just like dividers, like so, you know. I'm so annoying. Let me trace something out on the cardboard and I'll show you. Okay, hopefully you guys can see right here I traced the line. It's the line below, not the line up top, where it's 5.5 centimeters away from the border, because that's the approximate depth of every single drawer, and we're gonna line the drawers so the dividers we put in it are like stronger. I think, I don't know, I'm not really good in anything like construction or DIY, but yeah, I'm just gonna do 4 of these because we have 2 little drawers and we have 2 sides right here to cover, and then we're gonna do these ones. So, you know, just like, that's what I'm doing right now. As you can see, I've also cut out the 4 little slots for the front right here and the back right here, and I'm just gonna cut these with my X-Acto knife, and then we're gonna go onto the dividing type of part. I might glue them together, create the rectangle. We'll see. It's all, you know, just trial and error. If you guys are wondering, what I basically did is I just cut slots and I just put them so like they would fit kind of tight, but I didn't glue them because I decided that I think I would want them to be customizable, like movable. If I ever like have more, let's say like I have more brow products than I have liners and I just need more space, I could just like, you know, like tap it like that and just push it. So what's gonna go there is brows, liners, mascara, single eyeshadows, glitters, and lashes. Like there's nothing in lashes right now. I need to get myself some lashes, but yeah, I'm pretty satisfied. They're like relatively sturdy, and I'm gonna put the things in and I'll be right back to show you. What I like with this type of setup is that you know, when you close and like open the drawer, like it doesn't just like move around. So I have brows, liners, and then I have like all the shadows and glitters. Here I have like a loose shadow and I have like this NYX glitter. This is like, I don't have a lot of lashes. That's one of my goals, is to actually like stack up on lashes, because I always catch myself having to go buy some last minute. So these are just like a style of lashes I really like, so I want to rebuy them. So I'm just gonna leave this here. But yeah, we got like one sort of like before and after. Honestly, these are kind of giving me trouble because they're like fraying and everything, but yeah, they look pretty good in pictures, so you know. I'm literally filming this video like 3 days later, but this week I'm working every single day, which means I ain't got no time to do nothing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna upload part 1 of me like doing my, you know, my vanity. I'm gonna show you what I did. So you guys already saw the first drawer, like just, you know, like she cute and everything. Wow, I got my glitters, eyebrow, liners, mascaras, no lashes. I actually ordered some lashes, like 6 pairs of lashes, foam ink, which is gonna be really fun, but yeah, you know. Let me just, and then I have this one. Ooh, this one, I like this one. This is my like cheek product. I haven't done it all the way to the back. The reason being that like if I have any like big product, like this one barely fitted, like I can just like put it right here. And for now, I don't have like so much like blush or so much highlighter or bronzer that I need to have every single one of the slots. I still did them because in case, you know, I want to add them. Let me, can I? Yes, you can kind of see they go all the way up to like here, because I still, like I told you, want to have place for like bigger items that don't fit into the slots. So here's my blush, highlighter, bronzer. I need to buy myself more bronzer. What I like with this collection is that I'm seeing what I need to buy more of, because I have like a relatively good amount of blush. Highlighter, says I don't need more, but I'm still gonna get more. Bronzer, I would need to fill like 2 slots, and find some bronzers I like, but you know what I mean. Here is where it's not done. See, here I have a like stained foundation, don't look. But here is gonna be the foundation. This one is gonna be like the first drawer where it's gonna be like just like divided together. Let me, I love how I'm organizing this video. It's just gonna be like divided together, you know what I mean? Let me move this right here. Where's my powder? Oh, it's in the back. So I'm gonna do the same thing I did with this. Like I'm just gonna divide and put the things, because I don't feel as though it's important for like the foundation drawers to have like slots to put it like up. I mean, if I come to a point where I have a lot of foundations, I would probably do that because it would take less space than pulling them all out. But I'm just gonna like divide it in like 4 slots, like foundation, primers, setting powders, and concealers. So yeah, there's that. Then the lip one, like I said, this was the drawer that took me literally like years, because you have to create every single slot, make measurements. Most of the measurements don't work the first time. Like you see like right here is like crooked because it didn't work, and I still went with it. And like in the back it's like so straight and everything. Whatever. So yeah, so for the lip drawer right here, but all the, oh my gosh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to create dividers like the blush drawer, except they're gonna kind of low-key look like this, you know, not look like this, but they're gonna be square little lipstick dividers, so I can put the lipsticks in. But yeah, that's basically it. Like for the drawers, that's basically it. When I'm done doing like part 2 and everything, I'll probably do like a makeup collection and everything. I don't know, tell me if you guys are interested, because it's a really small collection, like small and humble, but I'd like to have it on video, you know, so you can keep it on tape. And the more, you know, I grow into my collection, the more I just become grateful for what I have, like what I started with. The last drawer is palettes. I have my custom ColourPop form Modern Renaissance Naked 3. I have my Morphe palette in the back right here. Yes. I actually only have 2 that work, like the other one is broken, but like whatever. I just really don't know how to organize my palette. So if you guys have any ideas, because I'm not like divided. I don't know. I'm confused. What am I gonna do, y'all? Leave suggestions below. Also guys, don't forget to follow me, okay, on all my social media. I'll put all the links in the description box down below. If you like me, my personality, or the content I put up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to my channel. I'm sorry I work keeping the same frame. I just don't look presentable at the moment. So thank you guys again so much for watching this video. Be on the lookout for part 2, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.